Hello you guys, welcome back to eBiz with Liz. My name is Liz and thank you so much for joining me today. So today I wanted to make a video that kind of goes more into detail about what this course is going to offer. So you guys, if you aren't familiar, I just launched a affiliate marketing course. This is all about Amazon affiliate marketing. So Amazon affiliate marketing is essentially a program where you recommend Amazon products to different shoppers using your platform and you make a commission on every sale. So you make the commission based on the entire cart, which is amazing. A lot of people do grocery shopping on Amazon, are purchasing lots of gifts on Amazon, or just purchase a bunch of household things. So you get a commission on the entire cart, which is amazing. So anytime someone is clicking your distinct link for a certain product, it's going to be kept in their computer cookies for 24 hours. So if anyone purchases anything within those first 24 hours, you get a commission on it. And the commission rate is 4 to 10%, which seems really low, right? Most commissions are about 20%, I'd say, on average. But when you guys think about it, how many people shop on Amazon? It's obviously the largest e-commerce platform in the world. You guys, they have millions of transactions per day. It's actually insane. So when you think about it, how many people are shopping on Amazon, the high volume of transactions, 4 to 10% commission does not seem so bad anymore, right? So in this course, I'm going to teach you how to make product reviews. And these product reviews will be videos, so you do have to be comfortable talking on camera. But you guys, don't be too worried about it because all you need is a smartphone and then you need the product, of course. So it's a very low investment initially. And so anyone can do this, you know, you just need a platform, which I show you how to set up, like a website or something like that. I show you how to set that up for free. And then you also need the product. So this is where the course gets very involved. I teach you how to pick the correct type of product. So Amazon's commission rate is based on category of different products. So like household products, pet products do a lot better than, let's say, clothing. And then you can kind of make your business specifically around a certain type of category, so it draws in the same type of people, or you could do it at random. But in this course, I teach you how to find high commission products that are going to get a lot of views. So you will have to be on camera talking about a product. You do not have to show your face. And if you guys are shy on camera, like, that is totally fine. When I first started YouTube, I was really shy and I was very nervous. But as I started getting more comfortable talking on camera and I did it more frequently, all those jitters went away. So you know, it does get easier over time. And I do have a script inside of the course that's going to tell you exactly what you should be saying, what different topics you should be covering in your product reviews. So essentially how you are going to make money in this commission structure is you are going to upload a video to YouTube, but it needs to be a very searchable video. So in the course, I do teach you about YouTube's SEO and how to create high view videos. There is some strategy to YouTube's SEO, so I do teach that in the course, and how to find a product that is, one, searchable, 2, meets all of the criteria for the customer, and 3, popular. So we kind of go over how to pick the perfect product, how to create the perfect review, and you know, how to make it searchable on YouTube. So just to give you guys a quick example of how easy it is to make money doing this business model, with my first month doing Amazon affiliate marketing, I made almost $100. And how I did that is I used things that I already bought on Amazon and I just did product reviews. So it costed me essentially nothing to make $100, and I probably put in 2 hours of filming and editing. You know, it's very quick, and then you just upload it to YouTube. Make sure you write out a great title with great hashtags. It's really easy, you guys. So for 2 hours of work, I made $100 in the first month. Not very bad, right? And then you have to consider that as time goes on, this video is going to get more and more views, and so you are going to continue making commission money every month on that one video. So once you start adding more and more videos, your commission rates are going to be higher on a daily basis because more people are clicking on your links, more people have that link cookied onto their computer, and then as they are purchasing things, you are making a commission because you recommended the product and now they are on Amazon. So you guys, as you continue making more video reviews, you are going to make more money. And so maybe the first month you make $100, but that is going to continue to double and double and double every month as you continue making more product reviews. So you guys, I hope that gave you a quick understanding. The course is $50 and you can find that at ebizwithliz.com. The course is really quick and easy to learn. I would say it would take you about 2 to 3 hours in total to finish the course. So you are going to be setting up a bunch of different accounts with the course, and I walk you through everything on how to set these up and how to actually create a good product review. And then I also show you how to set up your YouTube channel to be engaging, how to make engaging thumbnails, how to really optimize your video for search engine optimization through YouTube. So I go over it all. There's a bunch of working steps, but it's really easy. And you know, the best thing about this business is it is not going to cost you a lot to start up. This is the perfect type of business to lead you into other businesses. So it's a very low startup cost. All you need is the course and then a product to review. And then I'm sure most of you guys already have a smartphone, and then you just need a computer to be able to edit the videos. Overall, it's really easy to get into this business and you can start generating money right away. It's a really amazing way to make a passive income that's gonna grow exponentially each month. So low investment, passive income, high profit margins. It's overall a win-win situation. So there is no better time to start this than now. You guys, the market is super untapped. The commission rates are really great. And I wouldn't be surprised if one day Amazon says, you know what, we're not giving you commission on your whole cart, we're only giving you commission on the product that you recommend. That's how most do it, so I wouldn't be surprised if they move to that type of pay structure later. So you have to hop on while you can make a lot of money in this business. So I think that this is going to be a great business model to make people a lot of money, whether you just want to pay a few extra bills every month or have a whole vacation from this. You know, the possibilities are endless. It's all about what you put into it, your discipline, making sure you're putting a few videos out every month that are getting a lot of clicks, and you will make a lot of money on it. So you guys, if you are interested in learning more about Amazon affiliate marketing and how to quickly set everything up and get making some money, my course is at ebizwithliz.com. It's $50 flat fee, and if you guys aren't seeing the results that you want to, I will happily work with you and we can figure out a solution. And if it's still not something that is for you, or you know, you end up not liking it, I will gladly give you your money back. But I think that this is something you need to try now because you will make a lot of money. The profit margins are high, there is zero risk, so why the hell not, you know? So I just wanted to get on here. I know a lot of people have been asking me a bunch of different questions about this, and I know my first video was not super clear about the fact that you have to put up product review videos, but that is something that you will have to do. Like I said, you don't need to be on camera. You can simply just have the product on camera, but YouTube is the second best search engine in the world, and that's why we are optimizing it and using YouTube as our platform. So I hope that made a little bit more sense. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I would gladly get back to you. Other than that, make sure you go purchase the course at ebizwithliz.com. You guys, it's a one-time $50 fee. You learn all of the steps very quickly. You don't have to go search for this information, and you can start generating hundreds of dollars every month. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to me, and I hope to see you in the course. Bye guys!